Did you know that air blocks in fire sprinkler lines can compromise your entire fire safety system? What are air blocks? Air blocks occur when air is trapped inside fire sprinkler pipes, preventing water from flowing efficiently during a fire emergency. Causes of air blocks. Common causes include improper installation, system leaks, and lack of regular maintenance. Dangers of air blocks. During a fire, water discharge may be delayed or insufficient. Risk in lives and property. Prevention tips. 1. Conduct regular system inspections as per UAE Fire and Life Safety Code standards. 2. Install automatic air vents to release trapped air. 3. Schedule an annual maintenance contract with a certified fire safety provider. Don't let air blocks compromise your fire protection. Ensure proper installation and maintenance for a safer environment.